Did you know people add salt to boiling water? Many believe it makes the water heat up faster. You may have seen cooks tossing salt into pots. They say it speeds up the cooking process. But is this a real science fact or just myth? To find out, let's look at what salt really does. When salt dissolves, it changes water's properties slightly. It raises the boiling point, known as boiling point elevation. That means salted water actually boils at a higher temperature. Instead of 100 degrees Celsius, it's a little higher. So technically, salt makes water slower to reach boiling. But once boiling, the water is hotter than normal. This hotter water can cook food more effectively. Pasta or potatoes might finish a little bit faster. Still, the effect is extremely small in daily cooking. A teaspoon of salt hardly changes the boiling point. To raise it noticeably, you need a lot of salt. Far more than anyone would ever add for taste. So why do chefs still toss salt into boiling water? The real reason is flavor, not speed. Salted water seasons food as it cooks inside. It enhances taste right from the first bite. Another reason might be tradition passed through generations. People believed it was a cooking trick worth keeping. But science shows salt does not truly boil water faster. Instead, it makes boiling water hotter once reached. That hotter temperature can slightly reduce cooking time. But in practice, the difference is almost invisible. So next time you add salt to your pot, remember it's for flavor, not faster boiling.